Hello, everybody. My name is Diana Ulabari, and this is a lesson that I would plan on teaching when I finish school. Some really common mistakes students have from an early age are identifying what parts of a sentence they are understanding or reading. For example, verbs and adverbs are very common mistakes and commonly mixed up in the sentence as students are learning and progressing how to put together a proper sentence with, nouns, pronouns, verbs, adverbs, everything that they tend to get a little confused on. And hopefully, this lesson will help them understand exactly what a verb and an adverb is. First off, what's a verb? Verbs are a word or anything that describes the action that he, she, or even yourself are doing at the current moment. For example, run is a verb. I could say that I like to run at the park. Run would be describing the action that I am doing. There's also hop, swim, and jump, and there's a lot of different verbs: singing, dancing, talking. There's anything that requires an action that an individual is doing is listed as a verb. Some examples to help students understand what a verb is are right here. John plays basketball on the weekends. Plays would be the verb because John is currently playing basketball on the weekends. That's his action that he is doing at the moment. Another one would be April walks her dog at the park. Again, walks, to walk is the verb, and it's currently what April is doing. Another one would be Linda runs at the gym with her friends. Runs, again, highlighted in red, is the verb. It's her action that she's doing. And it basically describes, it could be present tense, past tense, whatnot. We can save that for another day. But if it describes the action, then the action is the verb. Adverbs. Adverbs are very common, but are very mistakenly either not recognized or misunderstood with verbs. A common mistake, especially in the younger levels who are learning about pronouns and verbs and adverbs and everything else, we're going to go over and hopefully we get a better understanding of what an adverb is. An adverb basically is describing what exactly we are pointing out in the sentence. So, for example, Julia runs, there's our verb, Julia's running, quickly across the field. Quickly would be the adverb because it's describing what type of action or how the action is being demonstrated in the sentence. It's describing Julia's type of run that she's doing. For example, we could run slow. Julia runs slowly across the field. That would be another adverb that's describing a different way Julia could be running across the field. The next one would be Daniel jumps extremely far for his height. Again, the adverb is extremely. That's describing the type of jump or what Daniel is doing to the extent at the moment. The next one would be the dog barks loudly. Loudly would be describing how the dog is barking. It could also be the dog barks softly or the dog barks quickly. Again, another type of adverb. There's a lot of different ones out there. That's the tricky part. But we, of course, want to try to stay formal as possible. We wouldn't want to say the dog barks too loudly. That just wouldn't be a complete sentence at all. We want to try to just keep it simple and keep the adverb that's going to demonstrate the rest of the sentence and the point across that the point that the writer is trying to get across to the readers and the audience. Some helpful tools that can help the students with their adverbs or verbs, and they even have different types of conjunctions in there, different stuff that students can work with and practice. These are some websites that are very helpful. I, as a teacher, would definitely recommend students to take a look. They offer free practice that you could fill out and they could give you a grade right then and there. Very helpful to get a better understanding. of the difference between the two. And I hope you guys enjoyed this presentation, and I hope that we all have a better understanding of verbs and adverbs.